Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will discuss on how to solve common issues that causes a computer run slowly. Issues like hardware limitations, outdated software, startup programs, cluttered hard drive, and finally malware and viruses. Let's get started. 1. Hardware limitations. If you're experiencing slow performance or crashes, it's possible that your computer's hardware is simply not up to snuff. There are a few things you can do to address this. Upgrade your RAM. RAM is the memory that your computer uses to run programs. Install an SSD. Solid-state drives or SSDs are much faster than traditional hard drives, so they can make a big difference in performance. Upgrade your CPU. Upgrading to a newer CPU can give your computer a significant performance boost. 2. Outdated software. Outdated software can also cause performance problems and security vulnerabilities. You can usually check for updates for your operating system by going to the Settings app and clicking on Windows Update. For individual applications, you can usually check for updates by opening the application and going to the Help or About menu. 3. Startup programs. Startup programs are programs that automatically start running when you turn on your computer. Many of these programs are necessary, but others can slow down your startup time and performance. To manage startup programs, open the Task Manager. Click on the Startup tab, and you'll see a list of all the programs that are set to start automatically. To disable a startup program, simply right-click on it and select Disable. You can always re-enable it later if you need it. 4. Cluttered hard drive. Cluttered hard drive can also slow down your computer. If you have a lot of files on your hard drive, it can take longer for your computer to find the files it needs. To declutter your hard drive, you can delete old files, move files to an external hard drive, or compress files. 5. Malware and viruses. To remove malware and viruses from a computer, you can follow these steps. Disconnect from the internet. This will prevent the malware from spreading to other devices or downloading updates. Boot into safe mode. This will start your computer with a limited set of drivers and services, which can help to remove malware that is difficult to remove in normal mode. Run a malware scan. Use your antivirus software to run a full scan of your computer. This will search for and identify any malware that is present on your system. Once the scan is complete, remove or quarantine any infected files that were found. Once you have removed or quarantined all of the infected files, restart your computer in normal mode. Don't worry, I will show you how to boot in safe mode, scanning your system for viruses in safe mode, and remove all malware and viruses in the next video. By following these tips, you should be able to improve the performance of your slow computer. If you're still having problems, you may need to take your computer to a qualified technician for further assistance. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.